guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about present continuous tense. So, what is the meaning of present continuous tense? Let's discuss. The verb form used for action or events that are happening or developing now. The present continuous tense is also called the present progressive or present imperfect. Is a verb that combines the present tense with the continuous aspect. Okay, so let's discuss the rules of present continuous tense. The rule number 1 is mr is used as a helping verb after the subject according to its nature. Number 2, first form of verb with the addition of ing is used after helping verb. Number 3, in interrogative sentences, mr is used before the subject. Number 4, in negative sentence, not is added after helping verb is mr. Now we discuss about the structure of present continuous tense. In affirmative or assertive sentences, the structure is subject plus is mr plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, you are wasting your time. In negative sentence, the structure is subject plus is mr plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, she is not reading a book. In interrogative sentence, the structure is mr plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. For example, is he taking admission in a college? So, it's all about present continuous tense. उर्दू जुमलों के आखिर में आमतौर पर रहा है, रही है, रही हूँ वगैरह जैसे अल्फाज आते हैं, जिससे मौजूदा ज़माने में काम की जारी होने का पता चलता है. Okay. So, in the next video, inshallah, we will discuss about present perfect tense. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.